Hey kids, today we'll be talking about evolution, but not just evolution for any animal. Evolution for big, stinky, opinionated organisms. That's right, the human. Now, we must be famous because the human origin has always been a hot topic and has been greatly researched by scientists across the globe. Fortunately, scientific and technological advancements throughout history have allowed scientists to research and gather more and more information regarding this topic, and more evidence to defend Darwin's theory of evolution. Now, according to relatively recent findings, scientists have hypothesized that humans evolved from an early primate known as the Australopithecus anamensis. Try saying that 5 times fast. Now, this dude was a hominin species believed to have roamed the earth between 4.2 and 3.8 million years ago. Multiple families and species have been identified and branched off from the anamensis, including some of its newest indirect offspring, modern humans, chimpanzees, and bonobos. Now, these findings have been backed up by years of research, observation, and discovery. Scientists have been able to dig up multiple fossils and markings linked to the evolution of primates, especially in Africa, predicted to be the originating continent of mankind. The process of evolution in humans does have a few factors to it. For example, prehistoric and modern humans have and still do practice natural selection through selective breeding. Humans that are more physically and mentally capable and dominant tend to reproduce with others which tend to also share the same traits. Humans that lack these traits usually have a lesser chance of reproduction. Variation plays a huge role in evolution as well. Prehistoric and modern humans are some of the most physically and socially various organisms. Humans vary in hair, skin, and eye color, as well as thought processing, preference, and personality. Through adaptation, prehistoric and modern humans were and still are capable to adapt to different environments and changes very easily. For example, humans that may live in colder climates are fully capable of traveling and enjoyably adapting to warmer climates. So when you and your family take that trip down to Florida, there you go. Humans have been known to share similar phonetic and genetic traits with multiple ape species, especially chimpanzees and bonobos. Through speciation, it is believed that throughout millions of years, the 3 species began to slightly evolve apart from each other. Now, prehistoric and modern humans have always been one of the most competitive species, practicing intercompetition as well as competing with other species. Humans practice competition in both civil and hostile ways, including war, sport, and reproduction. Now, interestingly enough, although humans aren't technically physically limited to the amount of offspring they can reproduce, modern humans tend to not practice overproduction and limit the number of offspring they must tend to. This might be due to a parent's economic instability, limiting the availability of resources they must provide for their offspring, or simply a personal choice. So kids, next time someone tells you to stop monkeying around, tell them it's a family tradition.